I'm going to see what happens when I mix fire and hydroxyl acid. It is a very dangerous chemical, can cause severe burns. It weakens automobile brakes. It can cause the rusting of several metal materials, and it causes the death of over 360,000 people a year. I'm going to see what happens if I start a piece of paper on fire and put it in hydroxyl acid.
Turn your hand sideways a little.
It's on fire. Did it explode?
No.
Good.
Is your finger melting off?
No.
It's not corroding like the metal?
No, I'm touching it very lightly. If you want to touch the hydroxyl acid, wear safety gloves. It can cause severe burns.